Hey everybody, it's Brandon from Fantastic Cherry back with another video. I'm going to be doing some highlights on natural hair. So I want to start this video by saying my client specifically said she wanted streaks. She said, I want blonde streaks. So with that being said, that's kind of where I got the technique that I'm doing from. I'm doing horizontal partings, and usually with the newer techniques, it's more so doing diagonal backs and angles and stuff like that. But because she said she wanted streaks, it made me think, okay, well, I need to do it more of a traditional style of highlights, which is horizontal parting. This is like how I learned how to highlight when I was in barber school. So I'm just taking probably about an eighth of inch section. Leaving a panel out, doing a panel of highlights, leaving a panel out. And so with those eighth of inch sections, I'm just doing some weaving with those and then doing some backcombing just to get more of a natural look towards the root area so that she won't have to come back so quickly with her highlight. That's pretty much it. This is really old school, barber school, beauty school highlights. Like there ain't nothing super technical or anything like that. I'm just doing a basic weave, pretty small pieces, as you can see. And then I'm doing a back comb. Nothing too crazy, just enough to get that root area diffused so when it's time for her, well, or as her hair grows out, it won't be so drastic. And she kind of had her hair in a like a reddish brown color for a while. I didn't want it to go to brown, so I used a 6WB, which is Enjoy Code 6 in warm beige to do her base color. So I'll be going through and adding the base color in there. All right, y'all. Make sure y'all subscribe to my channel. Like I said, I'm really close to 500. I'm only one away, so I just need one extra subscriber to get to 500. But help me reach that goal. I greatly appreciate it. So now I'm just going back through and adding that base color to the areas that I didn't highlight as well as the rest of her hair. And like I said, it's a level 6. Okay, so like I said, I'm just going in and adding her base color. I'm going back through. I did the lower section of her hair, which I didn't think you guys really need to see. But I'm going back through to those areas that I didn't highlight and adding the base color so that everything will be seamless. So we're at the blow drying process, and I did add an 8G, an 8 gold on toner onto her highlights just so they could be all the same color. I didn't want them to be different colors. I wanted it to be toned and look professionally done. So that's what I did. I added an 8G on top of that. We're just going through and doing the blow dry process. I'm also trying to get a little bit better with my round brushing, so that's why you see me pulling it out. She my friend, so I know she doesn't care if like whatever I do, she don't mind. So that's the best people to practice on. It was giving me a hard time and I was sick of it, so I just went back to my powder brush. Old Faithful. So I'm just flat ironing her hair. I wouldn't necessarily call this a silk press because I'm not being very intentional. I'm also not using like super small partings or anything like that. Her hair gets straight pretty easily, so um, I can be very intentional, get it super straight, but I really wasn't in the mood this day. We had been together for a while, so I was like, girl, it's time for you to go. Plus, I had more clients coming, so I didn't have time to be playing games with her. So yeah. But as you can see, those highlights, you can see the streaks that she said she wanted. Um, I think we probably will go back in and add more highlights, but we haven't yet. But this is where it's at. All right, y'all. So this is pretty much the finished oh my God, finished product. Like I said, I didn't really do too much. It's just a little basic, little flat iron, but you can see what the highlights are looking like, and she loved it. So I was happy about that. It was exactly what she wanted. So perfect. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions, I'd love to answer them. But you can see those streaks and peace.